Imagine reaching a potential audience of over 3 billion people from all corners of the globe. That's the power of Facebook ads for your Shopify product. Now let's explore why you should consider Facebook an advertising channel. First, the pros. Number 1. It's highly targeted. With Facebook, you can pinpoint your audience by age, interest, location, and more. Number 2. It's cost-effective. Whether you have a small or large budget, Facebook offers flexible options to meet your needs. 3. The integration with Shopify simplifies sales tracking and campaign management. However, every coin has two sides. The cons include a steep learning curve. It takes time to craft effective campaigns. The risk of ad fatigue. Without regular updates, your audience might start to overlook your ads. The return on investment can also be inconsistent. If you're excited to take the leap, here's a brief guide to kickstart your campaign. First, define your objective. Ask yourself, are you aiming for direct sales, more traffic, or heightened brand awareness? Next, set a budget. Determine a daily or lifetime budget that aligns with your goals. Craft engaging content that resonates. This means captivating visuals, concise, yet compelling text, and a clear call to action. Then, choose your audience. Use Facebook's robust targeting tools to reach the most likely to engage. Lastly, always track and optimize. Implement the Facebook Pixel on your Shopify store to monitor campaign success and adjust strategies. Eager to learn more? There are numerous resources available. The Meta Blueprint offers free training for advertisers, and Shopify Academy provides courses tailored for leveraging Facebook ads. And don't forget about online communities such as Facebook ad groups, where seasoned advertisers share invaluable insights. When harnessed correctly, Facebook ads can be a game changer for your Shopify product. As entrepreneurs, tapping into such vast digital marketplaces offers endless potential.